It's finally that time again where Fatal Blow is back in production. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Luciano XI, creator and artist of the series Fatal Blow, and I'm gonna share good news with you guys that the series is finally underway once more. And in today's video, as you can tell, we are making the fourth chapter of Fatal Blow. So, what's gonna be happening in Fatal Blow is that I'm not gonna try and spoil for you guys, but what I could say is it is finally the beginning of the entrance exam. I know you guys have been waiting so much for this type of video, or if you were waiting for this type of video, and yeah, if you enjoyed the chapters, I appreciate you very much. And for those who don't know, Fatal Blow is available to read on Global Comics. Make sure you check it out. So, the reason behind this design that I have chosen in this page that is being drawn right here is that I wanted it to be like have a feel of something's about to go down, I wanted to give that type of vibe where it's like, okay, something really is about to go down, like a start of like what you call this thing, a conflict, so yeah, since like the story is finally like at its beginning where everything properly starts. We are 4 to 5 chapters in, if you're counting chapter 0, and basically the volume is almost done, but I'm just waiting on my writer to start crafting on the story so that we can probably publish the chapter by the end of this month. Okay, so yeah, as you can all see, that the character that I have chosen for this chapter specifically is Tetsushiro Maru, one of the main characters of the series. And if you don't know him, you can there's a video I've made on the characters, meet the characters, or if you want, you can go explore the chapters on Global Comics. That's where it's available. So basically, I've chosen him, and everything behind the background of the cover is basically him in his element, him in his environment, everything that has to do with cold. And judging by how he's designed, you can tell that it's more kind of like a serious type vibe, so yeah, in order to make a good manga cover, especially if you're making a chapter that's gonna be read online, and you have to make sure that it piques people's interest, so what you could do is, number one, is gonna have to have a focal point. You're gonna have to have a focal point where there's a certain character who's in the cover, and make sure they are the main focus. Always make sure that the background is not too busy, that way your main character can shine, So yeah, as you can see here, I've tried my best to make sure that Tetsu shines as much as possible, that way the cover can pique people's interest and they start reading. The previous chapter, it was Kai Hosanagi, and I made sure that Kai was the focal point, even though the flames in his hand can speak more than the character, but I try to make sure that he is shown and the cover speaks to the viewer that okay, something's about to go down now, so yeah, so far the series has gotten a good number of reads. It's growing, and I am very much grateful for you guys for what you have done for me and the series. And please, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you could possibly need, like my other socials, in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. So for the future plans of Fatal Blow, for the next chapter, I am planning something big. I'm trying to continue on the momentum of how beautiful it has been so far, trying to make people become more intrigued in the series. If you guys watched the first episode of Fatal Blow, the chapter episode that I uploaded recently, if you did, make sure you share your takes on it, okay? I want to know what you think on it, I want to know what you think. How did you make it feel? And yeah, and let me know down in the comments below if you would like chapter 2. So basically, based on its performance, I will release the second chapter on this channel. Okay, so it'll be based on you guys if you enjoyed it or not, you know. So yeah, because I don't want to be like uploading something that already turned people off, you know, like a second episode of something that didn't turn people on in the very beginning. So yeah, based on your reactions, based on your based on your interaction with the video, it kind of depends on you guys that, okay, if y'all liked it. If you did, shout out to y'all, and thank you very much for watching. Make sure you go there and leave a like. So yeah, in this chapter, what's gonna basically happen, I'm not gonna try and spoil what's gonna happen, but what I could tell you is that what's gonna happen in the chapter is that the entrance exam finally begins and new characters are finally introduced. Like, some people have been waiting for the other characters to be introduced. Like, I've been speaking a lot about them, but I'm not even showing them in the chapters. So finally, that time of waiting is over. You guys will see the MCs, the other characters that you've been wanting to see for as long as I could remember, or you guys can remember, even though you never like left a single thought in the comments saying that I want to see this type of character or wada. But I assure you guys that you will see these characters in action, how they are and stuff like that. There are some other characters that I have shown just once in the past chapters. Specifically in chapter 2, there was one character who I'm not gonna mention, but I'm gonna let the chapters speak for themselves. Okay, so yeah. And another thing to touch on is that as soon as the entrance exam begins, what I could tell you is, I've already explained it on the last video. So it's basically retail, how the entrance exam will go is basically a written exam and then the physical. I'm not gonna go into depth because I want the chapters to explain. All I gotta tell you is just those two things, because I want to promote the series as much as possible. That way people enjoy the craft that goes behind. I mean, people enjoy the story and the conflicts that happen, the resolutions, and all that good stuff, you know? So yeah, again, thank you very much from you guys for tuning into my videos. It really means a lot to me, even though like it might not seem much, but it really means a lot that you guys are tuning into this type of videos. Let me know what type of video you would want to enjoy next. Put it down in the comments below. Like, what else would you like to see, you know? So yeah, I'm not gonna keep you guys long. As the drawing goes, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna show you guys the final finish of the chapter cover, you know? So yeah, this is chapter 4 of the series. Character is Tetsushiro Maru, and yeah, that's basically much on this presentation of the chapter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it, and share some love on the series. And yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you could possibly need are in the description down below. Make sure you check it out and leave a like on this video, okay? I really much appreciate it. It doesn't cost much. I'm not asking you for a liver. I just want a like and a subscription. Like, it's not that much, okay? Please leave a like on this video, subscribe, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you possibly need are in the description button down below. Make sure you check it out. I'm sure I'm repeating myself again, but yeah. And this is Olusegun XI, and I'm out.